So what does all of this mean for managers? Even if you aren't a manager, you can still start developing your power. In fact, I highly recommend it. Finish your degree, continue learning, develop new in-demand skills. And for some of you who want to go to grad school, I think that's a great idea. For those of you who are done with school for a while, at least consider taking maybe an extra course or listening to an Audible book, completing a certification program. Share your power with your followers and help them develop their own sources of influence. When your followers have more power, you have more power. Practice using different influence strategies to have a positive impact on your organization. It takes time and a little bit of trial and error to figure out which tactics are best suited for different situations. And finally, always be aware of the potentially dangerous aspects of power and use it carefully.